Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Brighton Public School, will teach you computer of grade 3. So, dear students, this is a part 2 video for the chapter 4, Understanding the Windows 10. So, students, let's start the new topic of this chapter, selecting and deselecting icons. So, my dear students, let us know selecting an icon. To select any icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. And deselecting an icon. To deselect the icon, click away from the icon. The icon will now be displayed in its original form. And dear students, let us know selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Selecting adjacent items, click left on it on the first item to be selected. Hold down the shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Selecting non-adjacent items, hold down the control key, click once on each of the items. This way you can select the non-adjacent items. Opening a program, click the icon which you want to select and press the enter key. The application window will open. Double click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Students, let's know the quick view. Press window key plus D key combination in minimize all the open windows. Arranging the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, so similarly you can arrange the icons on the desktop. It gives to a better look. Right click on the blank area of the desktop and you will find the list of options. Select the view option. Click the auto arrange icons option from the submenu. Observe the changes. It will be short. Sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop item means arranging them in a proper order. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Pointing to sort by option and click the size sub options. The icons will be arranged in increasing order of the file size. Changing the desktop background. Let us know how to change the desktop background. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice. In the following ways, you can change the desktop background. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. You will find the list of options. This is called shortcut menu. And select the personalize option. The personalized window will appear. By default, the background option is selected and preview of the current background is displayed in the right pane. click on the drop down arrow of the background list box and select any option: pictures, solid color, slideshow from the displayed list, and select any picture from the choose your picture section, or click on the browse button to get more option for the picture from your computer, and select any layout for the background from the choose a fit list box. A preview of the selected background will be appears in the preview section, and the students, the selected picture will be set as a desktop background. Okay, thank you very much to watching this video, and stay safe, stay healthy.